Na kwanza ni kushukuru Mungu sana kwa vile ametubariki na mvua. Imekuwa muda mrefu sana tangu tupatane na janga kama hili. Mvua imekuwa mingi sana. Mvua yenyewe ni baraka, lakini saa hii imekiuka, imeanza sasa kuwa majozi kwa wanamutithi. Tangu hii mvua ianze, kumepata mafuriko makali sana, boma zingine zimezama, vyoo zimejaa, mpaka barabara zimekosa kupitika, lakini tunashukuru Mungu sababu serikali imeweza kutumana. Na saa hii tunatengenezewa hiyo maji inatoka na tunajua kwamba hizi boma watu wataendelea kukaa.
Tukoretwo na thina wa mai haha uguo hoitirwo cio hakuhi na barabara. Mai maya kuma mbura yaurire nitukoretwo tukihoya thirikari ituteithie, na riu muthenya wa muthi ni twacokia ngatho ni undu wa nafasi yo tona ya guka gututeithiriria. Mai ni maragite micii mingi irari mihoru, andu ingi ni mathamu. Ona riu turarie na inyuĩ haha hakwa no ni ndiratigarite tondu no ni ndirari iguru mwena-ini wa mai. Koguo ni twacokia ngatho ni undu wa thirikari, ni undu wa guturirikana. Mimi ni mkazi wa hii area hapa kunaitwa Mutithi, Kirinyaga County. Tumekuwa na shida ya maji tangu mvua ilipoanza kunyesha. Watu wengi wenye walikuwa hapa wamesahama. Ningependa nichukue hii nafasi nishukuru serikali kwa kuweza kutusaidia siku ya leo. At least wametuchimbia mtalo ambao inatupa maji. Pia ningependa kusema wakimalizia tungeomba wakuja watuwekee karavati juu mahali maji imeweza kupitia njia imefungwa, ili watu wenye wanakaa hii side ya nyuma waweze kupata place ya kupitia. Asante.
Today we had a meeting at the county with the county commissioner and the disaster preparedness and response committee. The purpose of this committee was to assess where we are at with these floods and our level of preparedness in Kirinyaga County. I want to commend the county commissioner and his team. We worked very well and very closely with his team and our team. And the purpose today was to evaluate and see what we need to do because of the floods that have affected Kirinyaga, particularly Moya East and Moya West. And we also wanted to identify areas which potentially may have the danger of landslides. And we also wanted to see whether our dams are safe and whether our people are safe. And we've done that. And we also wanted to quantify what assistance may be needed, what as a county government we'll be able to do, and how the national government will come in and assist the county in dealing with those houses which have been affected. We urge, and our governor has been emphasizing this all along, that they should desist from building on riparian lands. They should desist from building near areas which are prone to flooding, and they should move to safer grounds. They should also desist from crossing rivers, swollen rivers, driving or even attempting. They should not do that. So we continue to urge them to be careful. Those ones who are in lowlands or areas which continue to be threatened by floods should move to safer areas. Yeah. Kwa county commissioner's offices na tumana mshamani wa disaster preparedness and response committee ile koreto ikishamania nyondo wa kwigita na maundu marehetwo ni ugwati wa mbura na kumenya uria andu megũikara na uria tukuhota gutara andu na kumenyera andu aria mangikorwo mena thina ucio urehetwo ni mbura uria tungihota kumathamia kumaiga wega na kumahe relief. Kio nikio gigutumite tucemanie umuthi niguo tumenye uria tugũikara na tuma ni timu yumanene muno tondu tuma department ciothe cia thirikari na team ya county na turarutithania wira wega muno na particular county commissioner witu na andu angi nikio tugucemanĩtie umuthi na twabanga maundu maingi muno nitwarora ni areas iriko cina ũgwati ni households cigana affected niko kwena hiko kona thina wa landslide niko kwena thina wa njũĩ makiria guthii na mbere kuongerereka macio mamanda tukuraga umuthi na ũrĩa tũngĩhota gũcemania na nĩ atĩa tũngĩka ona maũndũ ta ma thitima, hihi thitima ingĩaga nĩ atĩa kũngĩkwo. Tũkoretwo kuo throughout na maragita maitũ makoretwo mekuo nĩ ũndũ wa kũ-unblock kũrĩa kũblokete na makoretwo mekuo throughout 24 kuma hingo maũndũ maya manjirie andũ aitũ makoretwo mekuo na maũndũ maingĩ nĩ ũndũ wa rĩngĩ blockage iria ikoretwo kuo imwe irehetwo nĩ mbura na mbura nyingĩ kũingĩha na as a county government governor witũ nĩ hakikishĩte that maragita maitũ marĩa tũkoragwo namo county equipment yothe nĩ mobilized nĩguo ĩhota gũthiĩ kweheria problem ĩyo. Rĩu nĩ tũroria andũ na governor nĩ aroria andũ mũno. Ta rĩu kwĩ andũ mathiĩte magaka kware thĩinĩ kana magaka kũndũ mona view makĩte njĩra-inĩ ya rũĩ na nĩ tũramarĩria mũno ona rĩu no tũramera matigathiĩ gwaka kũndũ maramenya makĩte harĩa njũĩ-inĩ riparian lands kũrĩa gũtagĩrĩirwo gwakwo tondũ andũ amwe arĩa maikarĩte kũu ti atĩ matiramenya nĩ maramenya no metagĩra mbura yathira magacoka ningĩ magacoka nĩ andũ matirĩ mekaga ũguo na nĩtũkũmoria rĩu na tũramoria mũno kahinda-inĩ gaka metĩkĩre kuma kũu kũrĩa makĩte ama makĩte barabara njũĩ-inĩ kũrĩa igeragera metĩkĩre kwehera areas inĩ icio tũramathaitha mũno mehere.
Mkutano wa leo kama vile Mheshimiwa Deputy Governor amesema inahusu our disaster preparedness and response as a county. We have a joint multi-agency committee that comprises of both the national and the county government. And I want to take this opportunity first to thank Her Excellency the Governor, Kirinyaga County and her team. We have been able to move very fast as a team to respond to situations in Kirinyaga County. We were able to move very fast with the help of the county government to unclog and block all the rivers and the waterways so that we can have our water move out. We have been having a meeting since morning to identify areas that are prone to disasters and the situations of our dams, as the Deputy Governor has said, and also find out how many of our people are affected, what we can do, and the situation as it is now, and what we need to do. So we have done that as a county. We are happy that our dams are safe and our people are safe. We have isolated incidences of flooding in few pockets areas in Moya East, Moya West, and Kirinyaga West. And those ones have been able to get support or either food or non-food items from both the county and our local leadership, and non-food items from Kenya Red Cross. We are also putting our heads together as a team so that we can be able to respond to situations very fast and as they arise. So we can say that we are fully prepared to respond to situations, and so far so good. We say that the situation is now is under control. There's nothing out of our hand. We are managing the situation, and we'll be able to advise the people as we go. As he has said, as the Deputy Governor has said, we are urging our people, especially those along the waterways, those who live downstreams, to be able to move to safer grounds whenever they notice the floods. And we have also been told by the weather forecast that rains may continue. So we ask our people those especially in lower lands and along the waterways, to be able to move out to high grounds. We also ask our motorists not to drive through flooded rivers or flooded waterways to avoid to get drowned. And even our people, those who want to cross the rivers, they must be able to assess and know that there's danger. Don't take away your life while you are seeing. You tell them don't cross rivers when they are flooded. Wait for the waters to subside. We are lucky in Kirinyaga, water can flow very fast, and maybe our water situation the rivers can subside quickly in good time. So we are urging our people to be careful and to be alert, and we have so shared with them in case we need any help in the power line problems. We have with the people from the Kenya Power are here, where we can be able to get support quickly. We have formed a group where we can coordinate and work together very quickly. We are able to assess the situations of all our schools, both private, public, secondary, and primary schools. And I can tell you that most of our schools are safe. Most of our schools are safe. Maybe we only have one case where we may need to monitor one school, but the rest, 99 or 95% of our schools are safe, even they're opened on Monday. Yeah, and we're also monitoring very closely as we go towards Monday. But for now, we have no fear about our schools.
Naituro ria konire ria mutithi namba 8. Na mbere ni gucokia ngatho ni undu wanyu guka guku gututeithia tondu maene maratuthukitie muno ona mararingia nyumba. Koguo ni twacokia ngatho nyingi muno ni undu wa ngavana witu na thirikari yake. Koguo undu ucio wi bata muno tondu ni mwatuteithia riu mwatwokoa.
We are at Mwea right now, near White Rose Hospital in Mutithi Ward, where we are trying to help people who are marooned by water. We have done a trench which will be able to drain all that water so that the residents can be able to access their homes and those who are marooned can be able to come out. We have done this in various wards within Mwea sub-county. We have been to Gathigiriri ward near Red Soil. We have done something in Tebere ward. We have been to Kangai ward and Kareti ward as well. After this, we are going to help residents in Wamomo ward. This problem has been actually caused by the heavy torrential rainfall that we are seeing, which is not normal, which is not what we are used to here in Kirinyaga. And we can only argue, request or try to implore on our residents, for those who are near water, those flood-prone areas, that they should be able to move out and wait to go back when the rain subsides. And we would also want to request our residents not to try and cross where the rivers are swollen or where there is water that is flowing, because it is dangerous for to them, and we have seen people lose lives. The county government of Her Excellency the Governor is really keen to see that we don't lose any lives in Kirinyaga County, and we would really want to assist our residents so that these next few weeks we don't have any challenges of loss of life, and the people can be able to go back to their homes once the weather improves.
Tukite mwena wa guku Mutithi area ya White Rose
kugeria guteithiriria andu aria mabingiriritio ni mai thibitari-ini wa White Rose. Maya ya makoretwo maragite tondu mbura ino turona riu ni mbura te ya kawaida, na ni mbura ikoretwo nyingi muno in the last 3 weeks kada ciumia ithatu iria ibitukite. Riu ni twatema mutaro ugikurukia maya nigetha family iria mangikorwo maremetwo ni kuma micii yao mabote kuma, na ni tugucoka tuthondeke barabara ino na twarikia rira gukwara ni tugucoka tuthondeke barabara ringi. No riu thaa ici ni kwamba guteithia andu aitu aria mangikorwo maremetwo ni kuma micii yao kana aria mena hatika ya mai maingi nigetha mabote bakorwo makihota kuma micii. Mbura ni turona ni nyingi muno mwena wa Mwea, na ni kundu kwingi tukoretwo tukigeria guteithia andu aitu kana aikari ma guku Mwea. Ni tukoretwo mwena wa Tebere kuria Githogondo slums, ni tuthiete mwena wa Gathigiriri, mwena wa Red Soil, Kareti ward, ni tugathi kura mwena wa Kareti ward Sagana na Kangai ward, na tuuma guku mwena wa Mutithi ni tukuingira kuria Wamomo ward. Koguo ni matura maingi mena gathina gaka gukorwo kwina mai maingi, no ni turathi na mbere kumateithiriria. Yes. Ando kwina undu tungienda ku request kana tungienda kuria andu aitu guku particularly mwena wa Mwea ati mundu angiona mai maingi ndakagerie gukira, na no twende ku request andu aria mangikorwo me bakubi na mai maingi mundu agakorwo mambe mebere ni magacoka wona mai mathirathira tondu mbura ino no irathi na mbere. So ni wega andu mambe mehuge tondu nigetha tubote kubonokia mioyo mbere ya gwiciria uria tungicoka thutha, na ni tuguka aria mangikorwo mena bata wa uteithio ta mirengeti na mattresses no gukorwo ni mateguteithio nacio, no ni magacoka micii yao thutha-ini.
Itura riri ni itura rikoretwo rina gathina kuma hindi ria mbura yaurire ino asa mbura ino yurite ya muniko, ni gukoretwo kwina undu utari woneka for many years. Andu magakorwo ni mai na njira nene muno, undu kurakinyire nginya andu amwe thaa ici turi hau nĩ mathamĩte mĩciĩ kwao magetherwo gwa gũikara nĩ andũ a wendi mwega. Maĩ maya nĩ makoretwo me maingĩ kiasi ya kwamba atĩ nginya irio iria irahandĩtwo thĩinĩ wa itũũra rĩrĩ rĩothe ciũkĩte ikahobanĩrio nĩ maĩ macio, cioro ikaiyũra, mĩciĩ mĩingĩ ĩgacama maĩ-inĩ, na tũgakorwo twĩna tetesi nĩ ũndũ wa nginya matomboya marĩa mangiumĩra ihinda rĩrĩ.